The Tecnam P2006T twin has established itself as the aircraft of choice for not only the world's most reputable flight training organizations, but private owners alike. This brand new Tecnam P2006T is a twin-engine 4-seat aircraft with fully retractable landing gear and will be the second P2006T aircraft in the RWAA fleet. Professor Luigi Pascal, the creator of P2006T, stated that the power-weight ratio and engine dependability were not accessible in the 1970s, thus he had to wait till the 2000s. Italian vehicles are recognized for their obsession with aerodynamics and elegance. Aerodynamics is more profitable in aviation than car design. Its simplicity, great performance, efficiency, and ergonomics are what make this aircraft ideal, as well as cross-country flying. Two 100-horsepower Rotax 912S3 engines power the P2006T, burning just 9 gallons of avgas per hour total. The empty weight of its airframe is 1,806 pounds compared to the 2,465-pound empty weight of a Piper Saratoga, and yet, despite its lineage of light sport aircraft, the P2006T is no flyweight. Some of the key benefits of the P2006T's engines include a reduced frontal area and better power-to-weight ratio. Lower fuel consumption, lower propeller RPM result in higher efficiency and a lower noise profile, and stable cylinder head temperatures due to liquid cooling. Its relatively high power-to-weight, rated at 73 kW 100 horsepower, makes the Rotax 912S a popular choice in the aviation industry. This twin-engine formula offers higher safety and lower operating costs than its single-engine counterparts. The P2006T light twin-engine aircraft has in fact a lower standard empty weight than comparable single-engine 4-seat aircraft in the 180 horsepower or 200 horsepower class. Willem Marais, general manager, Rabi Wings Aviation Academy, said, "The RWAA training program will benefit greatly from our second Tecnam P2006T twin. Our pilots like flying it, our instructors enjoy training in it, and our student pilots love everything about it. We look forward to adding it to our growing fleet." Twin-engine pilots need to learn how to respond to such emergencies by second nature because the time it takes to think things through when your twin loses an engine at a low altitude is usually not fast enough to survive the failure. So the argument goes, given that singles don't have such a critical failure mode, and given that relatively few fatal accidents are caused by the loss of the single's one power plant, one's odds might just be better in a single than in a twin, at least in that regard. Then again, the counter-argument goes, all of the engine failures in twins that result in a safe landing somewhere never make it into the accident statistics, so the lives saved by that second engine are certainly greater than we know or have ever known. Tecnam P2006T is also attributable to the low propeller speed and the low engine drag. These together with a streamlined fuselage resulting in unparalleled aerodynamic efficiency. Boasting the highest ceiling and climb speed among its competitors, operators especially value the option to use automotive fuel as well as avgas. This not only leads to dramatically reduced direct costs, but also makes it possible to fly in areas where avgas is difficult to find or perhaps prohibitively expensive. The dependable NASA LeapTech twin-engine configuration of the Tecnam P2006T allows it to be flown over long distances and in areas where ground facilities are poor. Walter DaCosta, Global Sales and Marketing Director, said, "We're extremely proud to partner with Rabi Wings Aviation Academy. The team at RWAA is very committed to providing the best possible aircraft for pilot training, and that's exactly what the P2006T twin is known for, being the world's most reputable twin-engine airplane. We wish them continued success in the future." The €395,000 starting price for the glass cockpit version of the Tecnam extras, such as a €25,000 autopilot, will add to that, also looks like a bargain. The 4-seat Seminole, for example, starts at $697,100, with flight training rates usually based on the cost of expensive, thirsty American aircraft. The economics of the P2006T makes setting up a school look attractive. Although composites are now used in numerous aircraft to reduce weight, most trainer aircraft still don't choose composites because of their general cost. Since the P2006T doesn't include any high-cost special materials, the maintenance procedure doesn't necessitate the use of rare special trained and qualified experts or expensive spare parts. The all-aluminum design offers the best value for money in terms of cost and durability. Tecnam outperforms its competition with a payload maximum takeoff ratio of 0.36, fuselage structure, seats, and seatbelts combine to protect the occupants in event of a hard landing. The Tecnam P2006T's ability to conform to such rigid safety requirements has been proven during dynamic tests carried out by a certified laboratory, demonstrating forward load factors up to 26 grams. The horizontal stabilator is an all-moving structure designed for remarkable longitudinal control stability with an excellent control authority. A wide trim tab, part of the stabilator trailing edge, doubles as an anti-servo tab device. The cable-type pitch trim is controlled by a wheel located between the pilot seats and is fitted with a position indicator. As with most aircraft bodies, the horizontal stabilator and the vertical fin are metallic. The rudder features an electrically controlled trim tab with a position indicator situated on the instrument panel. The spacious cockpit accommodates a huge instrument panel with cutting-edge avionics, including a twin-screen G1000 NXI IFR and a new flat-panel suite with integrated STEC55 autopilot. The aircraft has been certified to CS23 and FAR23 standards. The P2006T's main shortcoming when compared to its other European competitor, the DA42, is speed. The powerful engines and high loading wings of the DA42 allow it to reach speeds of up to 200 km per hour. The empty weight of the DA42, on the other hand, is 3,109 pounds, which is roughly double that of the P2006T. The P2006T takes only 1,293 feet to take off and 1,145 feet to land. The P2006T can take off and land on short runways due to its high wing design and big capacity gears. All these features indicate the effectiveness of P2006T's design. The generous interior dimensions of the Tecnam P2006T allow maximum space for pilots and passengers alike. With its two doors, its upholstered seats complete with headrests and vertical adjustment, the cabin provides great flexibility for pilots of varying physical sizes to optimize their comfort. Each seat is provided with 3-point seat belts with an inertia reel. Specific care has been given to cabin interiors and acoustic comfort. The ventilation system features one vent outlet for each occupant. The heating system uniformly warms the cabin, and a defrost manifold prevents the windshield from fogging up even while taxiing. Large windows together with the high wings provide excellent visibility for a very pleasant flight, as well as for safe ground operations. The cabin has a spacious luggage compartment of 350 liters, which is easily accessible. The P2006T is 8.69 meters long and 2.84 meters high, with a wingspan of 11.4 meters. The monospar configured high wings offer stability. The wing area of the aircraft is 14.75 square meters. The glass cockpit is equipped with an avionics suite from Garmin and comprises G1000, G950, 530, and 430 systems. The spacious interiors allow 60 kilograms for baggage. Tecnam P2006T is a cost-efficient alternative to helicopters in terms of operation and has a patrol range of about 370 kilometers offshore. The MRI can be deployed in rescue missions, illegal trafficking surveillance, and protection of marine fleets. The P2006T MRI is equipped with Selex Galileo sensors to allow line-of-sight internet protocol communications with the ground station. The 48-kilogram Sea Spray 5000E active electronically scanned array AESA multimode surveillance radar tracks and survey the oceans. A hydromapping variant of the Tecnam P2006T was unveiled by the University of Innsbruck and Airborne Mapping of Austria in September 2011. It was modified to conduct shallow water bathymetric scanning and allow aerial surveys and research. Day-to-day training with the P2006T reveals idiosyncrasies with the weight and balance. During pre-flight, Lanigan displays a 5-gallon water jug that is kept in the baggage compartment. The P2006T's reference datum is the leading edge of the wing. The pilot seats are forward of the center of gravity, and the passenger seats are abeam the datum and don't help with the center of gravity. With less than full fuel and 2 people up front, the CG can be too far forward. Lanigan instructs his students to do a weight and balance calculation on every flight. Both Bravo and Riverside Flight Academy report that Tecnam's customer support has been good. If you think something about Tecnam P2006T should be in the video, let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the following videos here.